They had final say over every single word. We did not do anything without the approval of Gynax. They asked me to build a surround sound mix. Okay, so they had it on three speakers, front, left, center, and right. Well, I was building it for left, center, right, and then rear left and rear right. So I had to add sound effects to build up the surround sound mix. From what I know, it's manga got permission for everything from Gynax. I mean, when I was done, they sent it to Gynax for their approval, from what I heard. So, got a problem? Talk to Gynax.